Hello Amy, my name is Eduardo from Bose Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for this vehicle. This is the 2011 Nissan Leaf, 106,000 kilometers, and the price is $98.88 plus HST and licensing. This vehicle has a pre-accidents, no damage, no links, and it's been registered all the service with the manufacturer. The vehicle is available at this point in time, so if you want to come to visit us and take a look at this vehicle, please do so. This vehicle, they put in a brand new brakes and discs, front and rear, and it's very clean inside and out. My phone number to reach me is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.